Hey there! Welcome to another yoga class at Adriana's Flow. My name is Adriana, and today I will guide you through a 20-minute flow that will move your shoulders, open up those hips, and release all of the built-up stress and anxiety. No props are needed, just meet me on the mat and let's begin. Sit down at the back of your mat with your knees together, tops of the feet pressing into the mat, and your hips resting on top of the heels. Sit up nice and tall, place your palms on top of your thighs, maybe even close your eyes, and start breathing deeply. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to you being on the mat. On the next inhale, slowly lift up the chin, throw your head back gently. Exhale, bring your chin to your chest. Repeat with your own breath. Be mindful of your neck. Only move your head as far back as you can. Now come back to center and switch your movement to side, right ear to right shoulder, then left ear to left shoulder. Inhale in the middle and exhale, bring the ear closer to your shoulder. Remember, keep the shoulders relaxed. Bring the ear closer to the shoulder, not the other way around. Now inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, palms in prayer in front of your heart center. Inhale, one more time, arms up. Exhale, bring the arms behind you and interlace your fingers. Place the thumbs on top of your tailbone and keep pulling those elbows closer to each other. Keep the spine nice and long. If you can, fully extend your arms. If you wish to go further, place your knuckles on the floor and lift your chest up and move your gaze towards the sky. Create this gentle back bend. Create space along your spine. Now as you exhale, move forward, fold, and place your forehead to the mat into child's pose. Keep pushing those knuckles towards the sky. As you inhale, come back up, create the gentle back bend, and exhale, lower down into child's pose. See if you can extend the arms further with each exhale. Keep repeating with your own breath. On the next inhale, come onto your knees. Release your palms and gently step your right foot forward. Inhale, lift the arms overhead, send the hips down into our low lunge. Do your best to keep your knee over that ankle. Your hips are square. Your chest is pointing forward. Now as you exhale, bring your palms into prayer, lower them down, and try to push your left elbow against the outer edge of your right thigh. Point your chest to the right, twisting from the belly button up. If you need more, tuck in those back toes and lift up. Engage those legs. The weight is in the legs. The twisting motion comes from your core. Your arms are just there to help you. Now inhale, release the twist, lift the arms up, and as you exhale, turn towards the left, lower the hips down, turn the left leg onto its heel with the knee and toes pointed to the sky. Round the right palm, press your tricep against the inner right thigh, extend the left arm up to the sky. Keep your tailbone pointed down. If you can, wrap your right arm around that leg, bring it closer to your back, and lower the left arm down, bringing both palms to meet and bind. Keep that left foot engaged, pulling up to the sky, and breathe deeply. Release the bind, and gently lower your hips all the way down to seated. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, left palm grounds, right arm reaches towards the sky. Gently allow your body to bend to the left. Maybe bring the elbow down to the mat. Or if you can, fully lower down. Reposition your right arm in front of the leg, reach for the right ankle, and grab your left foot with the right palm. Keep twisting and allow the chest to point up to the sky. Wherever you are, keep on breathing deeply. Now inhale, lift up. I will just move to the other side so you can see me, but you can stay where you are. Now bring your right foot into your groin. Center your body on top of your hips. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, ground the palms in front of you and slowly start walking them forward, allowing your chest to come lower. Maybe ground your elbows or fully lower down and place the forehead on the ground. Remember to fold from the hips and aim to bring the belly closer to that foot. Now inhale, slowly rise up. And let's repeat it on the other side. Slowly reposition yourself, bend in the left knee, and extend the right foot behind you, grounding the knee. Inhale, lift the arms up, and send the hips down as much as you can. Exhale, palms in prayer, twist to the left, and press your right elbow against the left thigh. Keep your hips square, twisting from the belly button up. Now, if you wish to add more, tuck in the back toes and lift the knee up. Now exhale, untwist, lift the arms overhead. Inhale, elongate the spine, and exhale, turn towards the right and lower the hips down, turning your right foot on its heel, knee and toes pointing up. Inhale, left arm reaches towards the ground with the tricep pressing against your inner left thigh, and right arm reaches towards the sky. If you did it on the other side, try and bind here too. Wherever you are, keep on breathing. If you were in a bind, release it. Lower your hips all the way down to seated. Inhale, lift the arms overhead, and exhale, right palm grounds behind your extended leg and left arm reaches overhead. Gently allow your body to bend towards the right. Maybe allow your elbow to ground, or maybe even reposition your arm on the inside of the extended leg. Reach with the right arm for the left ankle and bind your left arm overhead and grab the right foot. Keep turning your chest towards the sky here. And release, come back to center. Bring your left foot into your groin. Inhale, lift arms overhead, elongate your spine, and exhale, slowly start folding forward. Keep that right knee and toes pointing to the sky. Keep on breathing. Now inhale, slowly walk your hands closer and rise up. Turn yourself towards the extended leg. Extend the left leg next to it. Point the knees and your toes towards the sky. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale, arms overhead, elongate the spine, and exhale, gently start folding forward. Place your palms along the sides of the legs for support. Maybe ground your elbows. Or maybe fully release yourself over your legs and rest your forehead on your shins. Remember, you're pulling with the belly, trying to get it closer to your thighs. Allow your sitting bones to tilt slightly forward, pointing that tailbone back. Inhale, slowly come back up to seated. Bend in your right knee, ground a foot closer to your hip. Now with your left arm, grab the outer edge of your right foot. Inhale, lift the foot to shoulder height. Exhale, right arm extends behind you. Chest turns towards the right, twisting from the belly button. Keep the right knee bent if you need to. Keep that spine nice and long, pulling up. Keep on breathing. Now exhale, come back to center, release the foot, and let's switch sides. Bending the left knee, grab the outer edge of the left foot with the right palm. Inhale, lift the foot. Exhale, extend your arms to the sides, and only extend the leg as much as you can. Imagine somebody's pulling you up from the crown of your head, and keep on breathing. Exhale, come back to center, release the foot. Now bend in both knees, ground both feet, bringing the heels closer to your hips. Place your palms behind you with fingertips pointing towards the heels. And inhale, lift the hips up. Gaze shifts towards the sky, creating a beautiful straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Do your best to keep your shoulders over the wrists and your knees over the ankles. Now exhale, gently lower yourself down. And And slowly, with control, come all the way down onto your back. Cross your right leg over the left, extend the right arm towards the side, and allow your knees to drop to the left for a gentle spinal twist. Keep on breathing. Do your best to keep both shoulders on the mat. Now inhale, slowly come back to center and let's switch sides. Left leg crosses over the right, left arm extends to the side, and knees drop to the right. Gaze can follow those left fingertips. Keep on breathing. Keep on releasing all the tension with each exhale. Now release the twist. Come back to center onto your back. Bring your knees into your chest. Give them a little hug. If you can, bring your nose to your knees and gently rock side to side, massaging your low back. Now lay back down, release the knees, and slowly lower your legs all the way down to the mat. Release the palms. Allow the feet to drop outward naturally for our final pose, Shavasana. Take a deep inhale. Allow your chest to rise. And exhale fully. Drop your chest and belly. Unclench your jaw. Feel your shoulders rolling out and into the mat. Stay in your Shavasana for at least 5 minutes or for as long as you can. Thank you so much for joining today's class. If you enjoyed it, consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more classes. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.